What's going on, everybody? Crypto Headquarters here, and today I'm giving you guys a video on Payfair, a coin which I believe has a lot of potential coming up here for 2018. So before I get this video started, let me just start off with a disclaimer that nothing said in this video is investment or financial advice. It is just opinion and is for educational purposes only. Please do your own research before investing, and again, this is not financial investment advice, and invest at your own risk. So let's get into it. What is Payfair? Now, Payfair is basically an escrow service on the blockchain. So the purpose of an escrow service, if you're not familiar, is to allow for secure and reliable payment between two trusted parties. So Payfair is basically trying to create an escrow service and bring it to the blockchain using its tokens. So an escrow service allows for two people which could be unreliable on one end, on your end or the other people's end, or whoever we're talking about in the situation. It allows them to transfer large or small amounts of money reliably. Payfair aims to bridge that gap. So the Payfair token is basically each escrow trade ensures using the Payfair token, which is a reason to hold it and a reason to use it. It has low fees among a ton of other things, but if we want to head over back to coinmarketcap.com, we can look at the coin's price action as a whole. So we can see that it came onto the market around December 3rd, and after a successful ICO. So the ICO, because it was an ERC20 token, it happened on the 1st of December and ended on the 30th, so that's standard amount of time, about a month for an ICO. They gave away 100 million tokens, and payments were accepted on MyEther Wallet or Meal. And if we look at circulating supply, we're going to see that there is 76 million coins in circulating supply. So that number, that's not too many. If we go to the total market cap and we look at some other coins with a huge market cap number, we could look at Bitcoin sitting at 15K right now. It's 16 million in circulation. But let's look at something to compare it to here. Qtum here. So Qtum has a 4.3 billion market cap, and it's sitting at $58. That's a pretty big market cap. Obviously, it's the 16th largest cryptocurrency in the world, but as for scale, you can see there's 73 million Qtum in circulation. Now, if we go back to Payfair, there's 76 million Payfair in circulation with a total supply of about 89 million. So the supply is low. The rank on this is very, very high, which is good because not that many people have heard about it. So the market cap is also extremely low at 5 million, and it's only trading on Ether Delta. Now, I personally stay away from Ether Delta only because of security risks. It's got a horrible UI, and I don't exactly trust it. But if we go over to the charts and we actually look at the price action, it was trading at 1 cent before it got a big push to about 4 cents, and then it dropped from about 4.5 cents back down to 3, consolidated for a while, which was good to see. Got a huge pump, hitting its all-time high at about 12 cents, and then cents has consolidated about 6-7 cents, and 7 cents we're seeing right now. So it's still got about halfway to go to reach its all-time high, and then we could see a major breakout from there. But the big thing holding this back, I believe, is the exchange it's on. Ether Delta, like I said, for me, it has a lot of security risks. I know for a lot of people, not many people want to go venture down that area, especially with the awful UI, in my opinion. And rumor has it that it's going to be listed on KuCoin and a few other exchanges in the coming weeks to months, which would be awesome because then that's when I will be buying into it, or at least taking more of a look. So what is Payfair going to do, and where do I see it in the future? So CoinCheckup is a website that I've been using just to kind of look how they rate tokens, and this is not at all the end-all be-all, but to give you guys just kind of an overview of everything, we're going to see that if I click on, let's click on Ethereum Classic. Now, I'm not a big fan of Ethereum Classic, but as you can see, it gives them scores based on open communications channels, how strong is the team in their opinion. It tells you what their criteria is, the GitHub platform, how are the programmers and how the developers, how are the community members contributing, all stuff like that. Now, Payfair, if we look over here, does not have any of that because it's such a new coin. It just got out of ICO. So if we look, it tells you just the general statistics and stuff, which is awesome, because when you actually look at this stuff, you're going to see that the average daily ROI is about 9%, a little bit under that, which is pretty freaking good. Monthly, we're looking at 282%. Total ROI, 345%, and the volatility of trading is up 65% in the last 7 days. So we're looking pretty good. The market cap is still very, very, very low, which is awesome to see. This could be a $50 million coin in no time, in my opinion. Additionally, if we look, we're going to see that the volume in the last 24 hours is 113,000, which is pretty good for being on the Ether Delta exchange. And just some other points I want to touch on here before I get to kind of my 2018 prediction is I really think that this coin has a bright future. I like to look for coins higher in the ranks on coinmarketcaps.com, and I just really like to see their potential and what they're trying to do, because any of these coins could explode into the top 100, as you guys see with, every day a new coin coming in. So if we go to Payfair's website, obviously their website is nothing impressive. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This did not blow me away by any means whatsoever, but it's just a demo on the Robston testnet. So this is just a testnet. Don't use this for real trades. This is just kind of showing you guys what the platform might look like one day and what they're trying to work on here. So if you go down, you can see the sell coins, you see the buy coins. The UI isn't awful, but I like to see this website really renovated into something that's very user-friendly, people understand how to use, and I really think that could go a long way for this. So I'd say the website is definitely room for improvement, but guys, remember, they just got off ICO on the 30th, and that was, what, a month ago? So this is a very, very new coin. Lastly, just some things I want to say about Payfair. The team is led by Dennis Salingen, I'm not sure how to say that, but he's the founder, and other members include a bunch of names that I can't pronounce. And it says the team has unmatched experience promoting products and creating WEB services. So the team doesn't blow me away just because it's not huge, big brand names of people running them like you see in the top 100. But this team is definitely capable of creating an awesome product, and wouldn't be surprised if these names are household names by the end of 2018, because this is going to be an awesome project in my personal opinion. So what is my 2018 price prediction? My 2018 price prediction for Payfair is conservatively $1, but that is so conservative that I'm almost afraid to say that. Right now, like any coins, it's pretty hard to say. I think that I could go into the top 100 coins in the market cap and certainly the top 10 and give a pretty good estimate just based on their market cap and just based on the growth we could see from new people coming into the market. But Payfair is such a wild card, it's going to be hard to predict. I could see this at, honestly, $5 to $6, excuse me, at the end of 2018. That would be a huge increase, but that is going to be my long shot prediction. Honestly, conservatively, I could see $1 to $3 at the end of 2018. I'm talking about this time next year. Click this video back in a year and see how much this has aged, because I guarantee you it'll be a lot. But I'm thinking 1 to 3 conservatively, 5 to 6 as my long shot, my moonshot prediction here. So this is a coin that is definitely very risky, very volatile, but I think that it has a very bright future, and I'm very, very interested to see what this looks like at the end of 2018, because this is a great coin with great utility. So that's going to conclude my video. Again, this is not investment or financial advice. Please do your own research before investing, and please invest at your own risk. It's just for educational purposes. Comment down below what you guys want to see from my channel at Crypto Headquarters here. Follow me on my social media. It'll be linked in the descriptions. Let me know if there's any coins you want to cover, any topics you guys are interested in, and please share this video on Twitter, tag me, Instagram, wherever. Let people know about this, because cryptocurrency is going to have a big 2018, and Payfair is going to be a part of that. Thanks for watching, guys.